Hi, myself Adeeb. I have built a project which was given by Coding Ninjas as a skill test. Here is the homepage of this web application. It has sign in, sign up page. Okay, let's get started by clicking this button. It will take us to sign up page. What I have already created an account, so let's go to sign in page. Here I'll put my email and password. Signing in. The home page will look like this when user logged in. It has a add habit button to create a new habit. Let's create an habit. Let's name it code daily and the description lead code. Save it. The habit will be added. Okay, the habit has added. Every habit you add will have previous 6 days data, and each date will be followed by a button to track the status of this habit. If the button will be clicked, the habit will mark as completed. Okay, and if I click it again, the habit will be marked as uncompleted. Okay, it has show daily button. It will show 3 things. First one is the date of the current day and the description of this habit, and it has added button to edit the habit. Okay, let's consistent. Now coming to the coding part of this web application. As you can see the folder structure of this application, the topmost folder is assets, that contains all the static files like CSS, JavaScript, which are used to style and adding more interactivity in the web application. And the other one is config folder. It contains all the configuration files that are related to strategies, libraries and other services. Inside these, the flash middleware file is used to show a notification, and the other is Mongo's file is used to connect the MongoDB database, and the other is passport local strategy is used to authenticate the user, and the other folder is controller. It contains controller logic for the web application that are responsible for the handling HTTP request and managing the data flow of your web application. It contains 3 files. One is habit controller, which is controlling the habit related HTTP request, and the other folder is home control. It is controlling the home page related queries, and the other is user controller. It contains all the user specific demand or HTTP requests, and the other folder is model. It is used with the database or Mongo. It contains the data structure. It means how the data will be stored in the database. It contains that files. The habit.js, it contains the habit schema for the application and the user schema, and the other folder is route. It contains the route. It defines the route for the application. It defines the route a routes folder is used to define routes and the type of HTTP request. Route folder is used to define routes and the HTTP request. It contains the main index.js index.js is the main root file, and the other is habit.js and the user.js, and the AGS template view for rendering the HTML element, and the main index.js file, it is the starting point of this web application. It is requiring Express, it is using Express libraries. Okay, that's all about this application.